Hi, my name is Heba Carter. My family and I did a pretty extensive renovation with HomeDesign. They redid our kitchen, a lot of bathrooms. I think, let's see, there's 3.5 baths. Our flooring, they did an amazing job, as you can see. They were on time with everything, communicated so well with us. We couldn't have asked for a better team. They were great to work with, really nice, and did really wonderful work. If we ever had any changes or questions, they always responded right away. And I would just recommend HomeDesign to anyone looking to do small project, big project, anything. They're your go-to contractors, and I would work with them again.